God is within her, she will not fall. God will help her at the break of day. Psalm 46 verse 5. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I installed this beautiful brown wig from Wiggins Hair, then please carry on watching. So this is a 24-inch brown wig from Wiggins Hair. As you can see, it is a HD lace, and this is what the box looks like and everything that comes inside of the box. And this is the wig right out of the packaging. As you can see, it comes pre-curled, pre-bleached and pre-plucked. But obviously I'm going to go in and do my own plucking, but the plucking on this wig was actually pretty good. I just had to adjust it to my hairline because I have a very round hairline and this is more of a square shaped hairline. So I just took some of my foundation on the lace and I'm just going to cut out the air tabs so that it fits around comfortably. And I'm just using my tiny nail or eyebrow scissors to do that. And as you can see, after plucking, the hairline is a lot more flattering and well suited to my head shape and hairline. And then to stick down my hair, I'm going to be using all products from Diamante Hair. Then I'm going to go in and cut out the lace using my eyebrow scissors. I like to use scissors because I feel like it gives me a lot more control, and I wish I did cut the lace a bit more closer to the hair, but nonetheless it was still a good install. When you cut your lace, you want to make sure that you are cutting in a zigzag motion. Never cut straight across, always cut in a jagged or zigzag motion. That way when you blend the lace, it is way more undetectable. After I cut the lace, I'm going to go back in with some more foundation just to make sure that it blends into my skin the best. I won't say this is the thinnest lace that I've ever worked with. It's just your standard HD lace. I won't say it's super thin, but it did manage to melt into my skin really nicely. So first I'm going with my skin protectant along my hairline, and then I'm going to go in with the Diamante hair glue, and this is the active version. This is my first time using it and I can say that it has a very strong hold. I really like using it, especially because I only like to use one layer of glue. I feel like this is perfect because it gives me that strong hold without applying too much glue onto my skin. Once the glue is dry, just take the lace and pop it on top of the glue and then press it in with either a rat tail comb or the teeth of your comb just to make sure it has adhered to the glue very well. And then I'm going to go in with my elastic band just to melt that lace in place. And whilst that's melting, I'm just going to go in with my GHD hair tongue and just curl the hair. As you can see, the lace is beginning to melt into my skin. I really love this wig and how everything turned out. And now at this point, I'm just showing you guys the lace and how it looks. I really love the hairline. I think everything's just really pretty, and this is like just the perfect shade of brown. Now I'm taking my wax stick before I go with my hot comb. It is essential to use a wax stick and a hot comb combo. That way you have a very sleek look, a very tamed, flat Wiggins saw. So now I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just make sure everything is nice and flat. To define my part, I'm taking my Too Faced concealer, and this is in the shade Butterscotch, down the center of my part, just to make sure it's nice and crisp. And then along the hairline and the lace, I'm going to take my melting spray. This is by True Connoisseur Lace, and this is just going to melt my lace even further into my skin, and then I'm going to use it on the hairline just to push back the hairs and make sure everything is nice and sleek. And then I'm just going to go with my last minute touches, begin to brush out those curls. And this is the final reveal of the lace. I mounted it to the best of my ability, but I really love this wig. This wig was so pretty. The color, everything is amazing. The hair itself is so full and thick, and it's really long. It's 24 inches, but it goes all the way down to my back, and I am 5'9". I just love everything about this wig. It's just such a beautiful wig. Wiggins Hair never fail me. And as you can see, I'm just showing you the length of the hair in this clip. It's really long and really full, as you can see. So if you are interested in this wig, all the details will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.